Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Missy. Today I'll be making a rhinestone jersey. I did make the design in Silhouette Studio and I'll be cutting the design template out on my Cricut Maker 3. The flock that you see here, the purple flock, it is from the Baby's Booty store. And this is the template. This is my favorite number 26. So now I'm just putting the KTM mask on the rhinestone template in order to transfer it to the shirt. Like I said, there's always one or two. Sometimes the rhinestones get stuck in the template and you have to keep going back and trying to put them on the KTM mask. This tape is really sticky. So on the top of the design, I also did put my name and C. So that's what you'll see me here doing here, brushing that in. And the stones that I used are from Axiland Rhinestone Depot. And I'll link everything in the description below. I prefer to use my hands when it comes to rhinestones. I know that most people use the painter's brush, but I don't like it. So now I'm just pressing the rhinestone template onto the shirt. And I'm covering it with my Teflon sheet. And I'll press them at 280 degrees for 25 seconds. I'm just sliding the jersey down so that I can add my name to it. Well, not yet. Right here, I'm just removing the KTM mask. And now I'm sliding the jersey down so I can add my name to the jersey. And when I transported the rhinestone design, I noticed that a few stones were missing. So now I'm just going to add the stones to the design. I'm just straightening up the rhinestones that I see that may be out of place. And now I'm just pressing the name onto the jersey. Well, placing the name onto the jersey. I don't know why I always pat the design before I press it. That's just a ritual of mine. Well, not a ritual, but a habit. And again, I'm covering everything with the Teflon sheet and pressing at 280 for 25 seconds. And there you go. love the design, but I felt like something was missing. So here I am modeling the design. Modeling the jersey. And I'm basically saying that, yeah, I think I need something on the front because it looks a little plain. So I was asking you guys if I should do that. And I'm just showing you the back. And the color stones that I used were jet black and jet AB, I think. No, not jet AB. Jet crystal. And now I decided to add a C to the front. So the outline is jet black. And then the front is I think it's jet crystal. Can't remember. But I'll link it. I'll put it down below. And this is a Teflon pillow that I received from Amazon. So what I'm doing here is pressing the number 26 on the sleeve. So I'm just adding the Teflon pillow into the sleeve to try to straighten the sleeve out in order to put the number on there. And the jersey was not wanting to cooperate. Finally got it straight. And here it is, 26 on the shirt. And here's the final results. I pressed this hat in a separate video. Let me know what you think, guys. I love the jersey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And keep going, glowing, and growing. See you in the next one.